Today I'm going to be reviewing Rollaway Fireproof bags. These are 9.6 by 6.6. I want to thank Rollaway for sending these to me to review. You actually get two bags right here, and I wanted to have this open so you can see what the inside looks like. These Rollaway Security Fireproof bags were just upgraded. It's now with 50% more storage, and also it can go up to 5,200 degrees Fahrenheit. It's not very thick, as you can see. It's not a very thick thing, but it's a good size. You can definitely put a good amount of stuff in there, and it's insulated. The advanced design has 10-layer fire protection. It comprises a silicone coating layer, fireproof fiberglass times 3, flame retardant layers times 2, thermal insulation layers times 3, and a reflective aluminum foil layer that you can see inside. They're not very heavy, but they're going to do what you need to do to protect your documents. Also, so you know, this is an Amazon choice. It gets 4.7 stars. I normally like to see 4.4, so it beats that big time. It also has 11,625 reviews. And you know it's doing well when 400 of these were bought last month in October 2025. So people are buying them, people are liking them, and this is a really good brand. They claim 1 million users all over the world. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.